15th August 1947. This day holds great significance in the heart of every Indian citizen. On this day, India ceased to be a colonial nation and secured full autonomy from the Britishers that ruled over for many years in our country. The day is usually dotted with flag hosting, parades, cultural programs, and likewise many activities that represent the glory of our nation. But do you really think that we celebrate this national festival for the reasons mentioned above? No, it's not like that. Children, we celebrate either Republic or Independence Day in India to remind all of us that our country and its freedom is the result of sweat, patience, persistence, and sacrifices of those who fought with the courage to dream freedom and ultimately make it a reality for the future generation. So this freedom is a big responsibility on everyone's shoulder, because it's not enough to have freedom. Instead, one must know how to practice that freedom and empower even others for the same. At the very same time, we are really blessed that patience, persistence, and sacrifices are some of the qualities of life with which we are blessed in our blood by our ancestors. So all we need is to realize them and utilize them in our lives, in our work fields, everywhere. And this will surely succeed not only in raising the standards of our lifestyles, but also glorifying the pride of our nation. So as a student, you all need to identify your inner strength and move towards the self-reliance of our nation. These words of mine is not something I am talking baseless. Star PMT, under the guidance, under the leadership of Dr. Rahul Rai sir, has been observing these patience, persistence, sacrifices of many of yours since many years, and providing the nation with not only doctors but also board toppers and even civil servants and many more in the list. Because here we all are focused to ignite that inner strength of yours, as it is your determination that designs your destiny. So with all the best wishes, would like to end up saying that carried with care, coated with pride, dipped in love, glory in fly, moments of freedom in shades of joy, proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, a very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.